Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making this delicious fish pie. I'll start by adding 1 onion that I've chopped into large chunks to a pot. I'll peel 2 cloves of garlic and add those as well. I'm going to be using oat milk. I know we'll split, but it works really well and I'm not a big fan of whole milk. So in goes 400 milliliters. And some ground black pepper. And in goes a big pinch of salt. I'll be using a mixed bag of skinned boneless fish. I've got chunks of pollock, pink salmon and smoked haddock. I'm also adding some white filleted fish. So in total I'm using 500 grams. You can use whatever fish you enjoy. And in goes a couple of bay leaves. So I'll place the lid on and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Now that I've let it simmer for 2 minutes, I'll take it off the heat and let it stand for 20 minutes to infuse. So after allowing to infuse for 20 minutes, I'll drain the fish into a colander. Whilst the fish is draining off, I'll pick out the chunks of onions, cloves of garlic and bay leaves. Once I've picked out all the bits, I'll pour my liquid into a jug. In a saucepan, I'll melt 40 grams of butter under a low heat. Once the butter's melted, I'll stir in 40 grams of plain flour. After allowing the butter and flour to cook out for a couple of minutes, I'll slowly whisk in the liquid. So my sauce has thickened, I've added all the liquid and I'll turn the heat down. I'm going to taste and season. I'll add a couple of big pinches of dill, ground black pepper. I'll taste again and I'll add another pinch of dill and some white pepper. Once the seasoning is to my liking, I'll stir in 150 grams of frozen peas and take it off the heat. For my topping, I'll peel and cut into even-sized chunks 800 grams of potatoes. I've given them a rinse off, covered them with salted water and I'll cook for about 15 minutes or until soft. I'll keep my cooked potatoes in the colander for a few minutes. Once my potatoes are completely drained off, I'll mash with 40 grams of butter. Once I've smashed down all my potatoes, I'll add my milk. And then I'll go in with 100 grams of grated cheese. I want the consistency of the potatoes to be firm but spreadable. At this point, I've already preheated my oven to 200 Celsius. I'm using a fan oven. I'll pour out half of my fish sauce into an oven-proof pie dish, and I'll cover my pieces of fish with the sauce. Once all the pieces of fish are coated in that lovely sauce, then I start loading on my cheesy mashed potato. I'll use a fork so it won't be too smooth. So once that's done, I'll put my fish pie in the oven for 25 minutes at 200 Celsius until it's piping hot in the centre and golden brown on top. So the fish pie is all done after 25 minutes in the oven. I'll just allow it to cool down for a few minutes. And there it is, easy, packed with flavour fish pie. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.